Hello YouTube people, this weekend I'm going to attempt to make for the first time a trim part for my MGB. As you can see, this one has a built-in speaker, however it is the wrong size, and when it's fitted to the car it just doesn't look right. It's actually against the trim panel. This is, I believe, maybe a 13 inch or a 16 or 13 centimeter diameter or a 16 centimeter diameter. I'm going to go for a 1980s look of the speakers what we have here. These are from around about the beginning of mid 1980s. They are brand new, so they are around about 35 years old. However, I do have two pairs. There's a pair going to go into the rear of the vehicle and a pair which are going to go into the door cards. So what I need to do is actually take the speaker apart. I've also purchased trim fix adhesive. Again, this is the first time, so it's a trial and error. I've got some hardboard, I've got a saw, I've got a file, hacksaw, screwdriver or screwdrivers, permanent marker. So let's start taking it apart. I'm going to mark it out, cut it. And I've also purchased some blue vinyl. I also have a stapler, but I'm going to use the adhesive to actually stick the vinyl on to the hardboard, and hopefully I will not have to staple. I'm afraid if I do staple, I may actually staple through the vinyl, and I don't want to do that. This is a 6.5 inch speaker. But you can see there, it's actually right against the trim edge, and it was actually rubbing against the seat. It's in condition, it's not too bad. The van's not too bad. Unfortunately, the owner or the person before me just put the wrong size speakers in. It's just a great shame. I think they'll look much better with the smaller speakers in instead of these larger speakers, which actually are of poor quality. They're unnamed, I believe, which actually gives again away. I wouldn't actually put 150 watts through those speakers. So I'm going to take it apart, I'm going to measure it out, and I'll see you in a moment. Right, bye for now. Well, I've marked it out, and I'm in two minds. Do I cut on this part, on the white part, or do I stick the vinyl on this part, and then this is going to be the rear? And I'm thinking more that I will actually, this will be the rear, and this is where the new speaker's going to fit. So I'm going to cut it out. I've got a saw, and also I've got just a saw for those delicate places which I feel this is maybe rather too big. So let's get down to it and see if I can actually cut the shapes out. This is some of the things I could find in the shed. Okay, bye for now. A little bit more. Welcome back. Can anybody spot the mistake? As you can see, I actually cut it, but I actually don't know. I may have tried to chop some of the remaining part of it. However, I can't understand. Well, I can actually. I've made that mistake, and you can see there. Apart from that, that was absolutely perfect. All in line. Apart from there. So yes, we all make mistakes. And well, basically this is rubbish. And you can see there, quite upset actually. Took it half an hour to actually cut through that with just a saw. I put all my stuff away in terms of my jigsaw, and I think I'm going to get my jigsaw out, but maybe not tonight. So I think I'm going to upload this tonight just to show people that, yeah, I do make mistakes, and things actually do not go according to plan. Oh dear. Okay, well, bye for now. Again, like, subscribe. If you want to unsubscribe because of my mistake, you're more than welcome. Okay, bye for now.